Thinking Logically, Introduction to Critical Thinking, Workshop Overview narrated by C. Alex Morris, founder of Loc Learn LLC. Has a flawed decision caused you to lose something such as a promotion, financial stability, or a relationship? Are you typically unable to defend your point of view with a strong argument that convinces others to support your side? Do you have the need or desire to improve how you mentally process information and make decisions based on facts instead of relying on emotions? It's assumed that most people should be able to think logically and to make defendable decisions. It's taken for granted that as a person grows and matures, common sense and experience will develop their learning and decision processes. However, if you consider history, yours, and the world around you, illogical reasoning and decisions can occur. Even the most educated and experienced individuals can have flaws in their rationale. The skill used to apply clear thought and reasoning to the world around us is called critical thinking. Critical thinking is not about being argumentative or critical of others. Critical thinking is the ability to think clearly and rationally. It's the ability to clearly reason through problems and to present arguments in a logical, compelling way. Due to the internet and social media, we have access to an excessive amount of information and points of view. As a result, critical thinking has become a key skill for survival in today's world. Someone with critical thinking skills is able to understand the logical connections between ideas, identify, construct, and evaluate arguments, detect inconsistencies and common mistakes in reasoning, solve problems systematically, identify the relevance and importance of ideas, and reflect on the justification of one's own beliefs and values. So how do you develop your own critical thinking skills? First, gain an understanding of what critical thinking is and how it can improve your life. Second, understand your current critical thinking skill level and acknowledge areas you need to improve or develop. Third, learn the critical thinking process. And fourth, practice, practice, practice. To support your efforts to improve, Loc Learn LLC offers Thinking Logically, Intro to Critical Thinking, a 2-day instructor-led, highly interactive development workshop. Workshops are conducted throughout the Seattle, Washington metropolitan area. The workshop will provide an introduction to critical thinking and how to apply it to resolve problems. Participants will learn how to define critical and non-critical thinking, identify your critical thinking style, including areas of strength and improvement, describe other thinking styles, including left and right brain thinking and whole brain thinking, work through the critical thinking process to build or analyze arguments, develop and evaluate explanations, improve key critical thinking skills, including active listening and questioning, use analytical thought systems and creative thinking techniques, and prepare and present powerful arguments. What is Loc Learn LLC? Loc Learn LLC specializes in developing professional-level core competency skills. What we provide is highly interactive and collaborative instructor-led workshops that lock in on fundamental analysis skills such as problem solving and root cause determination, thinking skills such as critical, creative, and systems thinking, and solution implementation skills, otherwise known as project management. These are skills that every professional should strengthen. However, this is not certification training. Certification training teaches topics specific to passing a certification exam. No matter your line of work, developing and strengthening these competencies will open opportunities for career advancement and personal growth. So why instructor-led opposed to e-learning? E-learning is an ideal method when used in a blended training approach, teaching less complicated topics, and sharing information with large and dispersed audiences. However, instructor-led, in particular highly interactive and collaborative training, provides the in-depth focus, attention, support, and application time required for adults to retain learning and immediately apply it to real-world situations. Loc Learn LLC's mission is for participants leaving our workshops to feel energized, excited about what they've learned, and confident that they can immediately apply their learning. Our workshops are limited to 12 to 16 participants, and instruction is based on our framework equation, assess plus learn equal apply. Our goals expressed in our motto, lock in on your goals and learn how to achieve them. Loc Learn LLC's workshops are facilitated based upon our framework equation, assess plus learn equal apply. These three components create a workshop environment that stimulates participants' interest, understanding new material, and retention of new skills learned. Assess consists of pre-work assignments and reflection exercises. Learn consists of lecture, exercises, and group discussion. And apply consists of pop quizzes, case study review, games, and role playing. Individuals who will benefit from the workshop are professionals needing to develop critical thinking skills in order to receive a raise or promotion, individuals who are looking to transition to a new career and need to develop or improve their critical thinking skills, and individuals just entering or re-entering the workforce and need to ensure they have the core competencies to compete and shine. In this presentation, you were introduced to the concept of critical thinking. You were made aware of Loc Learn LLC's competency building workshop event, Thinking Logically, an Introduction to Critical Thinking. You were also introduced to Loc Learn LLC's training approach and mission. So what are the next steps to begin your journey to accomplishing your goals? Visit locandlearnllc.com for workshop schedule and pricing. Register for the workshop. Learn about our other workshops and development tools such as our free mentoring and advice video series. And learn about our Study Buddy animated flashcard e-learning series for PMP exam preparation.